Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be the second video in my baby shower series. Today we're going to make 12 centerpieces that are perfect for the shower, but honestly, they'd also work in your spring decor. I think they'd be really cute if you put them in a crate and put them on a covered porch. Super simple supply list. Some old mason jars that I stole from my sister, some packing foam, I found mine in the garage, but you can use floral foam, acrylic paint, and some florals. And the best part, they're so affordable. I mean, we're talking a few dollars a piece to make. So if you need something budget friendly that still looks custom and thoughtful, this is for you. Start by prepping your jars. I just wash them with some Dawn and then clean the inside with rubbing alcohol. That way the paint will adhere to the glass because we know paint and glass don't really always go together. Okay, so there's multiple ways to do this. I tried 3 different methods. I added paint, rolled the jar around with my hand, and that worked, but it did take a little bit of time. And then I added some water to see if I can maybe coat it a little bit faster, and yes, it did coat faster, but it was thin, it was streaky. I just didn't like it. Then I just dumped the paint directly in the jar and went at it with a paintbrush. This is what worked best for me. Now I'm not going to seal these with anything. It was very easy to soak them and wipe the paint out with a paper towel. It works great and it's weirdly satisfying at the same time. I'll show you that video later. We need something to anchor these down into. Let's add some styrofoam packing material, or you can use floral foam, whatever you have. I just found this in the garage and it worked well. Now we need to glue these down into the jars. I'm just using hot glue because it's easier and because we only need them to last a day. But if you want them to last longer, I think I'd probably use something a little heavier. When you're arranging, don't overthink it. Just let it feel kind of balanced. You know, if you need to add some tight, if you need to hide something with some greenery, turn it around, look at it from all sides, and feel free to start over as many times as you want. I cannot stress that enough. Start over as many times as you want. It's not a big deal. There is no wrong way to make something pretty. The petals are a little floppy, so I'm going to reinforce them with some glue here. So don't be afraid to play around with the structure of your artificial florals. Because they're put together in rows, a lot of times they'll be lined up one on top of each other, and it just makes them look cheaper. Go in there and just kind of pull them, and you'll see that they'll spin, and then you just make them so that they're alternating. It adds some fullness, and it gives it a little bit more of a flower shape. All right, let's do the bows. I had originally thought I was going to use ribbon and make a little bow, but I really like the way that the tool softens them up a little bit, so I'm going to go in that direction with these. So tulle is stretchy, and I didn't want it to start sliding off the jar. So what I did was I tied it in the middle, and I wrapped the ends of the tulle back around the back to keep them out of the way, and added a little dot of glue in the right there in the knot, and let it cool down before I finished tying the bow. It's kind of weird to make a bow with tulle because it doesn't really orient itself correctly, and you have to play with it. I found it was easier just to add a little drop of glue between the glass and the bow and hold those loops where they need to be. Once I had that process down, I continued on until I was done. Okay, y'all, watch this. I'm gonna let them soak for a while. They almost look like I tried to crackle it. Dump it out and put a dry paper towel to see if I could move the paint, and look. It feels so weird. It's not very often that something is easy in crafting. All right, y'all, here's what they look like. And I really do think they're cute. I didn't have to glue anything down. She can reuse all of these flowers. They're perfect for spring. I want to thank you for joining me for video number 2 in my baby shower series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy crafting on a budget, and I'll see you in the next one.